Subject of today's video is affiliate fraud, the dark side of affiliate marketing exposed. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Imagine that all you needed to make money online was a website. You don't have to create your own products or offer any services. Your own service. Sound good? Then welcome to affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product or service in return for a commission on the sales that you generate for them. Commissions are typically a percentage of the sale price, but can occasionally be a fixed amount. The best affiliate marketing programs have recurring back-end commissions that can keep paying you month after month. Okay, affiliate fraud, the dark side of affiliate marketing exposed. There's no denying that affiliate marketing is a great way to boost your income. Unfortunately, not all affiliate programs are created equal. For every legitimate program you come across, you're also likely to encounter plenty of affiliate marketing scams. The presence of these programs shouldn't put you off, especially since the unreliable claims these scammers make can usually be spotted from a mile away. This means you can focus your efforts on credible affiliate programs, which will produce far better results in the long term. In this post, we'll explore the too good to be true claims that some affiliate marketing programs make and explain why they can be dangerous. We'll also talk about how to find a trustworthy affiliate program and avoid affiliate marketing scams. Before we get started, keep this tip in your back pocket if you're even slightly suspicious about a program's quality. Check it out. There are lots of excellent domain quality checkers online to help you. Just do a Google search for website quality checker and see what turns up. URL Void is one we've used that seems to work well. Now, why affiliate marketing scams are common? Why are they common? It goes without saying that the internet has brought with it all kinds of career money-making opportunities. There are more ways than ever to make money online, meaning that just about anyone can take their income into their own hands. However, when there's money to be made, there are likely to be vultures nearby. Vultures are online scammers who take advantage of people's desire to succeed. They make ridiculous claims about what they can offer, knowing that it will grab the attention of many who are looking to start a legitimate side business. If an innocent party is fooled by such a scam, they're likely to end up in a worse position than when they started. Although they can be found in pretty much any area of online business, affiliate marketing scams seem to be increasingly common. The best defense is to become familiar with the tactics being used to fool unwary targets. Now, where you're most likely to find them, it's important to note that Google's first page results are almost always going to be legit. The further you dive back into the pages 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, the greater your chances of encountering questionable content. Also, amazing as most of its content is, YouTube can be a breeding ground for affiliate scams, in case you haven't noticed. So be high on alert when it comes to that platform. And finally, watch out for display ads and pop-ups. They're familiar territory for scammers. There are 3 telltale characteristics of affiliate marketing scams. Falling into an affiliate marketing trap could mean you could lose out on a lot of money. It may even cause you to lose your credibility as an affiliate marketer, or you could lose your ClickBank account or even your email account. In other words, it's definitely something you want to avoid. To help you stay on track, the following are 3 of the most commonly encountered affiliate marketing scams. But first, Keep one rule of thumb in mind. A spammy look is a red flag for a spammy situation. In the modern digital world, our eyes are trained to identify spammy looking content. You should know it when you see it. There are a couple of good examples later. Look for things like way too many ads, low quality images, lots of redirects, way too much copy on the page, a cluttered appearance, sensational headlines or hooks or sensational aesthetics, dollar bills flying everywhere. But also know that a scam can be a beautiful design, professionally designed. Just remember to be always on your toes. That said, here are our 3 top scams to look out for. 1. Get-rich-quick schemes. Aside from winning the lottery, there is just no such thing as getting rich quick. As great as affiliate marketing programs are, you're not going to become a millionaire overnight. Unfortunately, that doesn't stop scammers from implying that you will. They take advantage of the fact that people are looking to make money and oversell the services they offer. Unrealistic deals can be easily spotted, as they will claim that you can make a lot of money with minimal work. In reality, you'll need to put in plenty of effort to make affiliate marketing a successful venture, so be wary of schemes that promise otherwise. Get-rich-quick schemes will also push the idea that you can make thousands of dollars in a short period of time. Again, this simply isn't possible. Instead, look for programs that have clearly defined payment plans. The monetary value of these programs promise will be lower, but far more realistic. Of course, your potential earnings will vary from program to program. However, in a general sense, affiliate marketers can expect to make between 5 to 30% per sale. Now, number 2 in the scam detection is pay-to-join programs. Another common affiliate marketing scam involves asking people to pay for memberships. Again, this is an easy trap to fall into. At first glance, it might make sense that you have to pay to join a company's program. However, most credible affiliate schemes are completely free to join. This is because you are effectively going to be working for the company that has to set the program up. You wouldn't pay to work a real world job, so you shouldn't do so when getting started as in affiliate marketing. Plus, when you buy into a scam like this, it's likely that you won't see your money again or make any additional income. Before signing up for any program, make sure the company behind it is legitimate. Is there a list of clients on its website? And can you find positive feedback about the program? If not, it may be a sign that you need to look elsewhere. Now, ClickBank Marketplace is a great way to find affiliate offers that you can rely on, and it's one source I use myself. However, again, be skeptical. Do your background research. Do your research. The third way scammers work is they have fake products or services. In affiliate programs, marketers make money by promoting products or services created by other, often much larger companies, well-known companies. Sometimes scammers will create fake products or services and promote them under the name of a well-established business. Unsuspecting marketers may then assume that the deal is credible, especially since false programs can be very thorough. Scammers will often craft full product catalogs and write fake customer reviews for each offering. They've even been known to promote their businesses by using paid phony spokespeople. A clear sign that a product is fake is an abundance of overly positive reviews. Even the best services will have a few negative comments, so be wary of any that don't. False products are also likely to have blurry or unrealistic images, such as stock photos. Real brands take the time to carefully photograph their offerings. Fake ones often steal pictures from other websites. An example of a fake product offering, complete with badly photoshopped images. If you aren't sure whether a program or product is real, your first step should be to check the brand's official website. You should be able to find the products or services in question, as well as a page for the affiliate program. If you have a niche and you're Google searching products for your niche, of course, when you find something that looks interesting, scroll down to the bottom and see if there's an affiliate link. In the case of a brand name, go to that brand name's official website and scroll down to see if there's an affiliate link or a membership affiliate link. If not, they don't have any. So who's ever trying to tell you they do is a scammer. Okay, another effective way to identify fake products or programs is to do your research. Enter a search term like all in quotes and then the product name in brackets, followed by affiliate scam in Google search, in the Google search term, and see what comes up. If you've been drawn to a fake, chances are other people have been too, and those who have been burned are likely to talk about it online. It may also be worth contacting the business owners directly from their official website. They'll be obviously best equipped to provide a solid answer and may even escalate the issue to prevent other affiliate marketers from being scammed. The conclusion: the popularity of affiliate marketing means that it's easy to get involved in. At the same time, it's also led to a proliferation of false programs and suspicious claims and outright scams. If you're looking to become an affiliate marketer, it is vital to know what you should watch out for. Now, again, to recap, these are the 4 most common affiliate scams that to watch out for. 1. Get-rich-quick schemes that offer maximum payout with minimum effort. Affiliate marketing programs that require an official payment to join. Schemes that use a famous brand name to promote fake products or services. And finally, the 4th affiliate scam to watch out for is the self-professed marketing guru offering courses in affiliate marketing that promise you'll make thousands of dollars in just a few weeks' time. This is a huge, huge red flag. Also, how many followers on YouTube does this person have? What is their Facebook presence? And do they have any affiliate awards like the ClickFunnels $2 million award? Now, I enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system. My coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business, and he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. There's no internet stone left unturned. Now, to get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.